What has happened to Christian Benteke? He may be receiving the full backing of the Crystal Palace support on Twitter, but the Belgian is nowhere near the levels you'd expect of your £27 million striker. No, if anything, Benteke looks like a Poundland purchase at the moment, and he hasn't managed a goal since the 28th of April last year. It's never nice to see another team relegated. We did what we had to do to win the game with Selhurst behind us. The Premier League used to be Benteke's stomping ground. In his days at Villa Park he was one of the most feared frontmen in the English top flight, yet his reputation and his goal tally have taken a serious hit since those days. Now it seems that the Belgian is just the second fiddle option behind the likes of Wilfried Zaha and Michy Batshuayi, and it's not hard to see why. Regardless, the fans want to see the 28-year-old do well and will be desperate for him to break his goal-scoring duck before he reaches the anniversary of his last goal in 4 weeks' time. You can read the Eagles' support of Benteke here. You changed the game today, big man. Bring on Spurs. CPFC Lewis, at Simply Mamadou, the 30th of March 2019. Well played, Christian. Hopefully you start Wednesday. Dan, at CPFC Dan 89, the 30th of March 2019. Completely changed the game today when you came on. That goal is coming. At CPFCJ, the 30th of March 2019. You changed the game today, Chris. I hope you get a full 90 minutes soon. Fiona Friend, at Willie Orwanti, March 30th 2019. Changed the game when you came on. Well played, big man. Luke CPFC, at Luke Remnant, the 31st of March 2019. Hope you get a goal soon, Christian. MRV, at Quato81, March 30th 2019. Great impact today, Christian. Keep it up and the goals will come. COYP, Colin, at Brinskall Eagle, March 30th 2019. You were the man that made all the difference yesterday. Without your input I doubt we would have broken them down. Richard Smith, at Richard60663841, the 31st of March 2019. Palace fans will be desperate to get the very best out of Benteke sooner or later, and will hope that the Belgian can rediscover his goal-scoring and touch in time for Spurs away on Wednesday. Christian Benteke, the Eagles.